Do you love math? If you do love math, I suggest to go to www.mrmathinc.net or YouTube Mr. Ing today. Very easy and compatible to work with.
Alright, let's say that you are asked to graph a bunch of ordered pairs, just like these right here. The first thing I'm going to do in Desmos is I'm going to click the plus sign to add an item. Then we're going to use number 2, table. Number 3, we're actually going to insert the numbers or order pairs. When we're done, we're going to click the gear or that circle thing. Number 5, then by the Y value, we're going to press color. And then number 6, we're going to turn the lines on.
Those. So I'm going to go into the first row and click on the plus sign where it says add item. And then I'm going to add table. Remember, our table is sideways, so you're going to have X values, and then remember Y1 is a simpler way of saying f of X. F of X is a fancier way of saying Y. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my order pairs here. Okay, once you have your numbers on the list, you can press this plus sign to have zoom fit. And this is what our graph looks like. If you click on the gear icon, you can change the color. You can change the shape of them. If you don't want the points on there, you kind of do. And if you click on lines, it kind of gives you an idea of what it looks like. Now you can click and then drag, but if you want to zoom in, so it looks like on my graph, I have them at 0.5s. Click on the wrench and you can change the steps, or if you don't, it's okay. So if you can count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is negative 5.1, negative 5.2, negative 5.3, negative 5.4, negative 5.5. So these are ones. So 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to guess negative 5.8, which is between whole numbers negative 6 and negative 5. And then over here, this one is between negative 3 and negative 4. So negative 3.1, negative 3.2. Let's try this next example, example number 2.
Let's go ahead and graph this example right here, number 25, using Desmos.
All right, let's go over this next example. I just, you can delete the previous table and just put in a new one. I inputted our numbers. I don't have anything on my graph. I'm gonna press this zoom fit. Here's my graph. Click on the gear icon. You can change the colors, the shapes, and what type of lines you have here. And it's not gonna give you a point of intersection, so you can just zoom in a little bit. And you're going to notice that this number is between 0 and 1. These are called consecutive integers. My solution, which is where it intersects, it is between 0 and 1, so I'm going to guess around 0.4. On this one over here, again, it's between 2 consecutive integers. The x-intercept is between 2 and 3. This is around 2.6. That would be more of an exact solution.
2 plus 2 is 4, minus 1, that's 3 quick maths. Everyday man's in the class, doing problems. See that problem board, that problem is easy. Thanks to Mr. Ing.
Yo.